Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I'll show you guys how to pair or connect the Real Airpods to a Xiaomi phone here. Okay, so if you have a Xiaomi phone, now one of the first things you want to do is first go into the settings of your Xiaomi phone and go ahead and enable the Bluetooth settings for that phone. So turn it on. So if yours looks similar to this, go ahead and enable the Bluetooth settings. It will start searching for nearby devices you'll see down here, or maybe to the top. Yours may be different. Now with the Apple AirPods 2, you want to get it manually into pairing mode. And to do this, simply open up the case lid here first, and then we'll hold down onto the button. There's a little button here on the back. We'll hold that down until the light goes from green to white and it starts blinking. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll hold that down. This is the white light, and you'll notice it starts blinking like this. All right, so once it's done that, leave the case lid open like this, and then go ahead and select scan or refresh on your phone, and just wait for that to show up. You'll see AirPods show up. Just select that one time, it will say pairing. And of course, it'll tell you it's connected. And once that's done, guys, of course, it means it's connected. Do not close the lid. Remove the AirPods first and then close the lid. Because if you close the lid while they're in there, you pretty much just turn off the AirPods. And that's that. So other than that, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.